let's take a look at mixed equations with whole numbers. A scientist believes that there are 3,752 small parakeets and 1,500 large parakeets in a particular part of the rainforest. What is the total parakeet population there? All right, well, if we want to know the total, we would need to add together the number of small parakeets and the number of large parakeets. So we're going to say 3,752 plus 1,500. All right, well, let's add. In the ones place, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the tens place, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the hundreds place, 7 plus 5 gives us 12. So we're going to put 2 and carry the 1. 3 and 1 is 4, plus the extra 1 is 5. So there must have been a total of 5,252 parakeets. Archeologists have recently dug up a bunch of old stuff. They tell the reporters that they have dug up 5,506 old things. Later, after using carbon dating techniques, they realized 2,991 of the things are new things and aren't that impressive. How many old things should the archaeologists have told the reporter they found? All right, well, if they told them originally that they found 550 or 5,506 old things, and it turns out that 2,991 were new, we would need to subtract to figure out how many of them were actually old things. So let's take the total number, 5,506, and from that we want to subtract 2,991. Okay, well, in the ones place, 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, 0 minus 9, so let's borrow here. Let's make this a 4, and we'll borrow the 1. So 10 minus 9 is 1. We have to borrow again. Okay, so let's make this a 4, and now we're going to think of that as a 14. 14 minus 9 is 5, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So of those old things, or of all the things they dug up, 2,515 of them were actually old things. A stellar shipping company makes 3 shipments in a week. If each shipment is an average of 9,342 miles, how many miles does a shipping company travel in 1 week? Okay, well, if each time they make a shipment, it's 9,342, and they're making 3 of those shipments, then we need to multiply to figure out the total number of miles that they travel. Okay, so 9,342 times 3, right? The miles of each shipment times the number of shipments. Well, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12, so 2 carry the 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus the 1 is 10, so 0 carry the 1. 3 times 9 is 27, plus that extra 1 makes it 28. So they travel a total distance of 28,026 miles each week. Earthlings have started 2 colonies on Mars. Evantown has 8,524 colonists, and Laurenville has 3,680 colonists. What is the population of Mars? All right, well, if we know the population of each of the 2 colonies on Mars, we would need to add them together to get the total population of everybody on Mars. All right, so we're going to add 8,524 plus 3,680. Okay, 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 8 is 10, so 0, carry the 1. 5 and 6 is 11, plus the extra 1 makes it 12, so 2, carry the 1. 8 and 3 is 11, plus the extra 1 makes it 12. So there's 12,204 people on Mars. A scientist believes there are 3,125 small parakeets and 4,788 large parakeets in a particular part of the rainforest. What is the total parakeet population? Okay, well, the total would be the number of small parakeets plus the number of large parakeets. So let's add these together. 3,125 plus, it's supposed to be a plus sign, I'm running out of room here, 4,788. All right, well, 5 plus 8 is 13, so 3, carry the 1. 2 and 8 is 10, plus the extra 1 makes it 11, so 1, carry the 1. 7 and 1 is 8, plus that extra 1 makes it 9, and 3 plus 4 gives us 7. Okay, so that means there's a total population of 7,913 parakeets. Astrophysicists found a new galaxy with an estimated 9,493 planets, but after further calculations, there are 1,409 less planets. How many planets are in the galaxy? All right, well, if they started out with a calculation of 9,493, but it turns out there's 1,409 less, we would need to subtract that number to figure out how many galaxies there actually are. So 9,493 minus 1,409. All right, well, I'm going to have to borrow one here to make this a 13. 13 minus 9 gives me 4. 8 minus 0 is 8. 4 minus 4 is 0. And 9 minus 1 is 8. So that means there turned out to be 8,084 planets in the galaxy.